Hi friends, let's see the next product we have. हाँ, let's see the next product we have and this is how it comes in this packaging. And थोड़ा सा हमारा दूसरा वाला लाइट थोड़ा फ्लिकर कर रहा था तो हमें इसको बंद करना पड़ा. It was just a high power bulb, but कैमरे में तो हमने but it was too much to handle so हमने हटा ही दिया. So yeah, let's back on this. This is how it comes in this packaging. Nice, cute, and let's just open it up. Wow, nice, like very simple. I wish there was a plastic bag wala thing, but there is two of these, and these are like one is a silver color and one is a black color, both sets stainless steel. So let me just, I love these things because ऐसे छोटी 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 चीज़ें आपको ऐसा मीशो फाइंड में मिलती है ना, तो you'll be like damn क्या मस्त मस्त चीज़ है. So one is this color, this is I think a cross, हमारे यशु वाला cross, and this is another one, and this is how it looks. I love the silver one much more. It has much more weight than, well, both has the weight, but I like the silver one much better. And they also had many versions like blue, yellow. मैं उसका link भी दे दूँगा. But I love the silver and I love that how it's like, it's hard and it's looks nicer and it looks that classy thing like, ooh, cross, like you want something वो एम्पायर वाला रहता ना मूवी वैसा वाला टाइप्स का. तो हाँ, दिस आर द टू गुड क्वालिटी. सही बताओ, बहुत प्यारा है, बहुत सही क्वालिटी है एंड डेफिनेटली अब बाई जब मैं पहनूंगा मैं उसका पैच कर दूंगा. तो या लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन इज अ डेफिनेट बाई. प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब एंड बाय फ्रॉम द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन फॉर दिस अमेजिंग रिंग्स. बाय बाय.